Welcome to the SpeedToLead tutorial series. If you're looking for top-tier results from an advanced AI platform that does lead generation, lead qualification, and appointment setting, you're in the right place. Also, you can unlock revenue growth with our inbound and outbound self-selling AI. Hi, I'm Shane, and in this first video, I'll walk you through the basics of getting started with SpeedToLead. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a quick refresher, this guide will help you hit the ground running. We just released version 2 of SpeedToLead. We're super pumped about it. It has a lot of new features and it's much more intuitive and easy to use. We have a light mode and a dark mode. You can find that setting right here, so you can choose which one you prefer right here. You can also change your password on this page. These are API keys for SpeedToLead. And here's where you would insert your OpenAI key if you want to get the latest GPT-4 model. So this is the dashboard, and you'll see these stats up here. These stats are the aggregate of all of the various projects or locations, as well as all of the AI assistants. Come down here, you'll see the conversations from all of the projects. If you come into an individual project, though, these stats are specific to that location or project. Going back to the dashboard, next are campaigns, and we have two types of self-selling AI systems. First one is inbound, the inbound self-selling system. This enables you to have someone test it in a chat widget right on your web page. So they fill out a form, they can input up to 5 URLs to train on. Once they fill out the form, they are automatically forwarded to a waiting page. And what this is for is to keep them engaged. There is a progress bar as well as some funny little sayings that go across the screen, and that is to keep them engaged and entertained while their website is being scraped. And so the bot can be trained on their data and be very personalized. And then after that is done, it normally takes 10 to 30 seconds. They are forwarded to another page in which a chat widget will pop up, and they'll have an interactive demo instantly. Included in the plans are an unlimited amount of inbound self-selling AI. The next one we have is outbound self-selling AI. This is where you can upload a CSV or even tag a contact record. A GHL workflow communicates with SpeedToLead. It automatically goes out and scrapes their website. It also attempts to grab their favicon, in which that will put that into the chat widget for the icon, so it'll be more personalized. Once it's done and completed scraping, they'll be automatically sent a link through email or SMS or however you want to send them the link. Once they click the link, they'll be forwarded to a page where they'll again be able to interact with a chat widget and have a customized interactive demo. Makes it just tremendously easier to sell. We allow up to 20,000 of these a month, depending on your upgrade. The agency plan does come with 50 of these a month. Continuing down the nav bar, you can see you have templates, so you can set up as many prompt templates as you want. Here are the event logs, everything that's happening in the background. Here's where you can add new users. And then here is our white label theming if you're interested in the white label. So here you can change the site name, you can completely white label it, change out the logos. You can have a custom domain through a CNAME record. And you can also, we'll have very soon, Useful. We use Useful within the platform for onboarding, and we'll have white label documentation there. You can get a Useful token, put that in here, and then you'll have white label documentation on the site itself. And here's where you change out the logos and the favicon. Now let's just show you how to set up your first project. So you would just go here to add project, and then click whatever GoHighLevel location you're interested in. And then from there, you would go into that location. Let's go to this one, and then you want to add your first AI assistant. Go to AI assistant here. We'll have a lot of templates here soon. You can start from scratch here. You would just name the chat manager. So that would be whatever shows up here, so you know what it is. I'll just put that there. Here is the chatbot's name. So like Sophia or whatever the name of the chatbot, the persona is going to be. Here's a delay between messages. Sometimes leads will send a message in 1 or 2 or 3 texts, and this is a little bit of a delay waiting for them to send those multiple texts so that the AI assistant better responds to them. Here you can pick the different various models. Temperature, here are the different channels. We have all of these channels. SpeedToLead, we have our own chat widget. And here is conversation routing tags, so that enables you to have as many AI assistants as you want per channel and or per location. And this is how you route that. So you would tag the contact, and then if you have the corresponding tag here, this is the chat bot it would come to. So from there, you hit save, You'll see it populates the rest of them, and I'll go over the rest in the next videos.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life.